You guys, this product is so beautiful. The next product that I want to recommend to you guys is so beautiful. It is a bomb product. It is literally a bomb product, and this is on 20% or 25% off, I guess, right now on Nykaa. There is some off on this, I'm sure. It makes my foundation stick so beautifully to my skin, and if you have any particular shade in your mind that is on your wish list since a long time, this is the right time to buy all of the luxury makeup that you always have had on your wish list. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So in today's video, I am going to share with you guys my top 10 recommendations of high-end products that are on discount or some offers on Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Nykaa Hot Pink sale is going live on 19th of July at 4 PM and it's going to be on till 28th of July. So by the time this video is live, the sale must be on, so you can go grab your favorite ones. So I'm going to dive right into the video without making this intro any longer. So let's just get started. So most of the products that I'm going to recommend to you guys in this video are makeup products. Only 2 or 3 skincare products are there. So let's start with the first product, and that is the Laneige Cream Skin Cerapeptide Refiner Skin Refiner. This product, you guys, is so beautiful for your skin. If you have dry skin type, or even if you have combination to oily skin type, you can actually use this product. This leaves your skin feeling dewy and plump, and it acts as a very good toner for your skin. It makes your skin very healthy looking, and it adds that glow to your skin. So I would highly recommend this. Now I'm going to flash all the offers on the screen somewhere, and I'm also going to mention all the links in the description box down below, so you can check that out. Now I think on Laneige they have a flat 15% off on the Laneige products, most of the Laneige products. So you can grab this one also, and also their lip balms. Those are also really good, so definitely check this out. As you can see, I have already finished the mini travel size of this one, and I'm on to finishing this one now. This is almost halfway through, so I really like this product and I really enjoy using this product, so highly recommend this. So let's get done with the skincare. Now next recommendation of mine is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, the charcoal one. I just love this one. I love this one more than the regular one, the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Some people like that one more, some like this one more. This works best for me. So it comes in a huge tub like this, and this has been with me since past 7 months, and only this much of amount is used. So you just need a tiny bit of amount and it lasts a really long time. So it's an investment in your good skin, guys. So definitely give it a try. The third product that I want to recommend to you guys is by MAC. It's their Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. You guys, this product is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous, and it is like magic potion for the dry skin beauties. I have a whole review video on this product, so I will be linking it in the eye above and also mentioning it in the description box down below, so you can check it out. I am in love with this product. This is great for dry skin beauties, so definitely give it a try. I'm not going to talk more about this product in this video. Go check out that video. Now MAC products, most of the MAC products are on 25% off, I guess. So this is a great time. Nykaa Hot Pink sale is the best time to shop all your wishlisted items, all your favorites during the sale time. So definitely grab this one. Now the fourth product that I'm going to show you guys is my current favorite, and it's my current obsession. I have recently purchased this one during my Italy trip, and I'm talking about the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. Oh my god, the formula of this foundation and the shade match of this foundation is so beautiful. I'm in the shade 4W, and this is like the perfect shade I have ever found in any of the foundation I have ever tried. So if your budget allows you, there are good offers on Dior. You get quite a few free products with Dior. I'll have to check the offers. I will be flashing it somewhere on the screen so you can check it out. But this is beautiful, guys. If you are dry skin types, definitely give this foundation a try. It is like, it makes your skin look so much better. It does not feel like you've applied makeup. I've just applied this foundation. I've done makeup using this foundation today, and just look at that finish. It is beautiful. It is flawless. So definitely highly recommend this one. Now my fifth product is another foundation. I have recommended a lot of foundations in this video because I have been loving these foundations and I have been using this foundation so much. So next product that I want to recommend to you guys is the Airbrush. I always fumble when I when I have to pronounce this. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation. Yeah, So I've said that. I have said that. So this is the foundation. This is again the cult favorite foundation. This is such a full coverage foundation and the best. So definitely give it a try, guys. And it is also on 25% off right now on Nykaa, I guess. It comes with a pump. It is such a luxurious packaging. Everything is so good about this foundation. If you want that, you know, like full coverage look, definitely give this a try. The next product that I want to recommend to you guys is by Givenchy. It's their Prism Libre loose finishing powder. I forgot what you call it. So this is the Givenchy Prism Libre loose finishing powder, and it is so finely milled. Oh my god, I just love the finish of this powder, and it's in the shade 5, number 5, Poplin Mimosa, and it comes in these kind of 4 shades. I have made like full face of makeup using all these products that I'm going to upload pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. But I am in love with this product. This is a travel size basically. This is the mini size. You get a bigger size also of this one, so you can go for a mini size and try one, and then you can, you know, like invest in a bigger size. But definitely give this a try, guys. You'll love it. You'll love this product. Again, on Givenchy they have like on 6,000 you have some kit free with that, those kind of offers. So I will be flashing it somewhere on the screen. See, as you can see, it comes in these kind of 4 shades, different shades. I like to mix all the shades and then apply it. It gives a very nice and smooth effect on my skin. I love this. I have tried so many powders, but this tops the list, so highly recommend this. So the next product that I want to recommend to you guys is so beautiful. It is a bomb product. It is literally a bomb product. I'm talking about the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, and it's in the shade Rose Rave. I have already posted a shorts video, I guess, or reel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please go follow me there. I will be mentioning it, my Instagram bio, in the description box down below, so you can follow me there also, because I'm super active there. But coming back to this product, I mean, look at that packaging. It is so gorgeous. It is so beautiful. I was just sold for the packaging, and actually the original product is also really beautiful. It is gorgeous. I mean, just look at that. I don't think camera is doing any justice to showing this product, but it is beautiful. It is so good. It is so good. I don't know whether camera is catching the glitter it has, but it looks stunning when you apply it. I have already applied on my I have applied it on my cheekbones right now while doing makeup. It looks very stunning. It looks like, you know, like you are glowing from within, and you have that glass skin kind of look or wet look. If you like those kind of looks, definitely give it a try. This is a highlighter, but you can use it as a blusher and highlighter both, because you can directly apply it on the high points of your cheekbones and you look like you are glowing from within. You have the healthiest skin possible, so highly recommend this. Definitely give it a try. Fenty Beauty has, I guess, 10% off on most of their products, so grab this one. Next product that I want to recommend to you guys is again by Fenty Beauty. I am going to recommend to you guys their primers. This is the True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer Base. I have almost finished this, and I have recently got this one. This is the Soft Silk Pro Filter Foundation. This is the hydrating one. This is actually for the oily skin types. This is a mattifying primer, but I used it on my dry skin and it works wonders on my skin. And even this one is really good, so it is your personal choice which one you want to go for. Both are equally good, and it has a little bit of sticky, gluey kind of texture. But I love it because it makes my foundation stick so beautifully to my skin, and it gives the smoothest skin to you, and it blurs out your pores, and it just makes your base look so flawless. So definitely invest in this one. Highly recommend this. Now the next product that I want to recommend to you guys is my all-time favorite. Ever since I have got my hands on this product, I have never stopped using this product, and I'm talking about the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Fixing Spray. This is the older bottle. I have already finished this one. I like picking up the mini size of this one because it is so travel friendly. I can just throw it in my bag and I'll be good to go. So I just love this one. I have finished 4 or 5 bottles of this one. I actually like this one more than the MAC Prep and Prime. I mean, that is also good, but this, I am a little biased towards this one because this actually sets my base so flawlessly and so beautifully. It melts down my makeup together so beautifully, and with this my makeup actually lasts for more than 12 hours, so highly recommend this. This is also on 10% off, I guess. All the Urban Decay products are on 10% off. I might be wrong, you can check out the Nykaa app and see it for yourself, but definitely check this out. If it's on discount, just grab this one. The next product that I want to recommend to you guys is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Who doesn't know about this product? Everybody raves about this product, and this is on 20% or 25% off, I guess, right now on Nykaa. There is some off on this, I'm sure, so definitely try this out. It is beautiful. The formula is beautiful. It is super high coverage. This is great for hiding your dark circles, your acne marks, your hyperpigmentation. This will take care of everything, and the formula is beautiful. It is so high coverage, still it does not feel cakey. It feels very light on your skin, and it blends beautifully. It is just too good, so definitely give this a try. Highly recommend this one. There's one more bonus product that I want to recommend to you guys, and I have also purchased it recently, and I have also purchased it on discount, so I would recommend that you should to purchase it on discount because it is an expensive one. I'm talking about the Dyson Airwrap. This has been on my wish list since a really long time. I always wanted this product, but it is obviously expensive, so you have to give it a thought. You have to be sure, you have to be 100% sure about it that you are going to use it. After giving it a thought and thinking about it a lot for years, I'm not even kidding, I wanted this product since the time it has launched, but I always used to think that it is expensive and I would not be able to do justice to this price point. But then I decided and made up my mind that now that I am doing videos and I'm shooting every day and I have to do my hairstyles every day and I'm vlogging and everything, so I need this. So I have got this one, but I have still got it on discount. I got this on 12% off, and right now also on Nykaa Hot Pink sale, you're going to get this on 12% off. So this is the original price of this one is 49,990, that is about 50,000, and you're going to get it for 43,000. So if you're somebody who is willing to buy this product and this has been on your wish list since a really long time, this is the right time to get this. So this is the product, you guys. I have gone for this color. I just love this color, and this is the hair drying attachment, and it comes with smoothing also of your hair for your frizzy hair. This is amazing. This works really good. Now if you want a full review on this product, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do that for you guys, and I'm also going to come up with the tutorial of this, how to use it and how to use all the attachments of this product. I'm definitely going to make a video on that, so stay tuned for that also. But if you are somebody who is actually willing to take this product, I would say this is worth every single penny. I used to think that not all the attachments will be useful for me, but ever since I have got this, I have used it a couple of times and I have actually used all of the attachments. So for me, it is worth every single penny. And the last product that I want to recommend to you guys is of course by Huda Beauty. It's their eyeshadow palettes. Most of the times on Nykaa Pink sale, their palettes are on almost 50% off. So if you like any particular palette of Huda Beauty and that is on 50% off, please go ahead and grab it because these are beautiful. The pigmentation is beautiful. This is my older palette. So this is the Rose Gold Remastered palette. It's almost over most of the shades, and this I have recently bought for my travel because it is so travel friendly and it is everything that I want in a palette. I love the color story. It has the mattes, it has the shimmers and the foil colors, so I really love this palette. It comes with a mirror also. So all these palettes, most of them are on 50% off, so definitely grab this one, guys. And also Huda Beauty's bullet lipsticks are something that you should not miss when Nykaa Hot Pink sale comes, so they are also on 50% off. So grab those also. If you have any particular shade in your mind that is on your wish list since a long time, this is the right time to buy all of the luxury makeup that you always have had on your wish list. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and grab those products. So yeah guys, with that I end my video here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button for this video as well. Your likes and subscription keeps me motivated and keeps me going. So it does not take much, it just takes one click to subscribe button. So yeah, please do that. And I'm going to come up with using all these products and full face of luxury makeup pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So I'm going to end my video here and I'm going to see you in my next one. Till then, bye.